Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change system language on XIAOMI 15T. First of all, open Settings, then go to Additional Settings, select Languages and Input, and then select Languages. Now select the language that you want to change to, and once you exit this menu, your system language will be changed. Now let's change it back to English. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.